Hello guys! In today's video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano nga ba gumawa ng Gmail account gamit lamang ang inyong mga cellphone this 2023. So if you are interested on this topic, be sure na panoorin nyo yung video until the very end para wala kayong mamiss na kahit anong information. And this Gmail guys is pwede nyong gamitin pang open ng inyong YouTube account. So if you're interested, let's start the video tutorial. Hello guys, this is Dana Caldoza and welcome here in my channel. In my channel, nag-share po ako ng iba't ibang video tutorials and money making online. If you're interested, subscribe na! Hello guys, so andito na tayo sa aking cellphone screen at ituturo ko na sa inyo or tuturuan ko na kayo kung paano nga ba gumawa ng Gmail account nyo this 2023. So napakadali lang nito guys, basta siguraduhin nyo na panoorin nyo yung video na to mula umpisa hanggang dulo para wala kayong mamiss na kahit anong details or information. So, let's start. So, first, go to Google. So, Google and then type nyo Gmail account sign up. So, hanapin nyo yung Gmail account sign up. So, scroll lang kayo pababa. So, press nyo itong create a Gmail account. So, press nyo yan. Then, madadirect kayo dito sa create an account nila. So, press nyo itong red button, create an account. And then, andito na tayo. So, create your Google account. So, ilagay nyo yung desired name nyo sa Google account nyo. Your first name and your last name. And then, yung gusto nyo rin na maging username nyo. Or yung mismong Gmail nyo. And then your password. So, gawa tayo. So, first name, last name, and then your username, and then, so, dito guys is kung ano yung password na gusto nyo. So, taken daw. Ilagay natin. Yan, siguro naman wala nang taken yan. So, your password is so, ilagay nyo yung password nyo dyan. So, ako hindi ko napapakita kung ano yung password ko. So, type lang yung password. So, pagkatapos nyo nang ma-fill upan lahat, so, i-press nyo na yung next. So, press next. And then, dito, lalagyan natin yung active phone number nyo kasi magsasend yan ng notification. So, and then, your recovery email. So, pwedeng to follow na lang yung recovery email nyo kung wala pa naman kayong prefer na recovery email. So, next tayo, yung inyong birth month. So, your birthday. And then, yung day. And then, yung year. So, ayan. And then, yung gender nyo. So, ako is female. And then, press ulit natin yung next. So, ito na yung verification. Verify your phone number. So, to make sure this number is yours, Google will send you a text message with 6-digit verification code. Standard rates apply. So, send na natin. So, press nyo yung send para ma-verify na yung phone number nyo. So, wait lang natin mag-text guys. So, type na natin. Check natin kung tama. So, click nyo yung verify. So, ito na. Get more from your number. If you like, you can add your phone number to your account for use across Google service. So, for example, you receive video calls and messages. Make Google services including ads more relevant to you. So, yes, I am lang natin yan. And then, privacy and terms. So, kung masipag kayo magbasa, so, feel free to read. Kung tapos na kayo magbasa, so, press nyo si agree. So, wait lang natin. So, ayan na. Meron ka ng Google account. So, welcome, Dana Caldoza. So, ayan. Ito yung home ng inyong Google account. Ito yung privacy and personalization. You have security tips. Privacy suggestion available. So, itong privacy and personalization. So, dito yung personal information. Dito, yung basic info mo. So, lagyan na natin siya ng profile picture. So, let's add profile picture. Kung ayaw mo naman lang yung mismong mukha mo ang ilalagay mo sa profile picture is may mga available naman na pictures dito. So, bahala ka na lang mamili. So, I want this cat. So, save as profile picture. So, wait lang natin. So, ayun na. Then, press nyo si got it. So, refresh lang natin siya. Refresh lang nga. So, ayun na. Ito yung basic information natin. Okay. So, dito sa address is not set pa. So, dito sa address, lagyan natin yung home address natin. So, I'm from Pangasinan. And then, next is yung kung may work kayo, kung saan kayo nag-work, address nyo. So, lagay nyo lang dyan. Your password. So, syempre, nakatago yan. So, data and privacy tayo. So, sa data and privacy, things you've done and places you've been. So, andito yung web and app activity. So, yung mga history settings mo. So, explore nyo na lang yan, guys, kung meron pa kayong mga need i-ayos. Basta, basahin nyo lang siya. Kasi kung i-review natin lahat is masyadong haba tong video tutorials. So, for this video is, yun lang kung paano gumawa ng Gmail account as simple as 1, 2, 3. So, I think that's all for today's video, guys. And I hope may natutunan ka sa video tutorials natin for today. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon para lagi kang updated whenever I posted new video tutorials like this. So, and pakilike na rin yung like icon kung sa tingin nyo ay nakatulong sa inyo tong video na to. And feel free to comment down below kung meron kayong mga suggestion or violent reaction or something na gusto nyo i-share on the comment section. So, that's all for today's video and thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Bye for now!